Welcome to the ultimate luxury cars. What if your home was not limited by four walls? What if luxury could travel with you anywhere on Earth? For some people, luxury is not a destination. Luxury is carrying a five-star home wherever the road leads, combining freedom, technology, and extraordinary comfort into one incredible machine. A true luxury experience is not only where you arrive, but how extraordinary the journey becomes. Unlike ordinary vehicles, the world's most luxurious motorhomes transform every journey into a private adventure, where breathtaking landscapes become your moving backyard. Imagine waking up beside the ocean, enjoying five-star comfort, and continuing your journey without ever leaving your home. Luxury motorhomes redefine travel by removing the limits of traditional vacations, allowing owners to experience the world's most beautiful locations with complete comfort and privacy. The ultimate symbol of luxury is having the freedom to explore places where ordinary homes could never exist. From endless deserts to remote landscapes, the world's most expensive motorhomes are designed to deliver luxury, comfort, and independence wherever the road disappears. The most exclusive hotels have a destination. The world's greatest motorhomes bring the destination with them. Whether arriving in a modern city or escaping into nature, a luxury motorhome provides a private world of comfort that travels wherever its owner chooses. For the ultra-wealthy, camping is no longer about leaving comfort behind. It is about taking luxury into the wild. Modern luxury motorhomes have transformed outdoor travel into an extraordinary experience, combining the freedom of nature with the comfort of a private luxury residence. Behind every extraordinary machine is a lifestyle most people can only imagine, a world where luxury moves with you. For owners of the world's most expensive motorhomes, travel is not simply transportation. It is a personalized luxury experience designed around freedom and comfort. When the sun disappears, the world's most expensive motorhomes reveal another level of luxury, a private five-star residence glowing on wheels. At night, these extraordinary machines become more than vehicles. They transform into private luxury spaces where technology, comfort, and elegance come alive. What if one vehicle could replace a luxury hotel, a private residence, and a first-class journey all at the same time? The world's most advanced motorhomes represent a new definition of luxury, the ability to explore the planet while carrying your own private world of comfort. This is not just a vehicle. It is a masterpiece of engineering, a luxury home, and a symbol of ultimate freedom built for those who want the world without limits. Welcome to the world of ultra-luxury motorhomes, where advanced engineering meets extraordinary craftsmanship, creating a home that travels anywhere your imagination takes you. Before entering the world of luxury inside, the first impression begins with a design that commands attention from every angle. The exterior design of a luxury motorhome is engineered to create a powerful first impression, combining aerodynamic efficiency, premium materials, and unmistakable road presence. The rear of a luxury motorhome is not just the end of the vehicle. It reveals the engineering technology and lifestyle hidden behind the journey. Every detail at the rear of an ultra-luxury motorhome serves a purpose, combining advanced engineering, practical functionality, and premium design into one impressive structure. Size alone does not create luxury. True luxury comes from turning enormous scale into elegance, balance, and effortless movement. The side profile reveals the true scale of a luxury motorhome, where intelligent proportions and aerodynamic design create both elegance and efficiency on the open road. A vehicle this large faces a major challenge, creating the comfort of a luxury home while moving efficiently through the air. Even the largest luxury motorhomes are carefully engineered for aerodynamic performance, improving stability, efficiency, and comfort during long-distance journeys. Behind every luxury surface is a hidden world of engineering, where advanced materials create strength, beauty, and lasting perfection. Creating an ultra-luxury motorhome requires advanced materials and expert craftsmanship, combining lightweight strength with the beauty expected from a premium residence. At night, luxury is not hidden. It is designed to shine with technology, elegance, and personality. Advanced LED lighting transforms a luxury motorhome into a sophisticated statement of design, improving visibility while creating a signature presence wherever it travels. The greatest luxury is not only what surrounds you, but how beautifully the outside world becomes part of your living space. Large panoramic windows redefine the motorhome experience, bringing breathtaking landscapes inside while maintaining the privacy and comfort of a luxury residence. In true luxury, even the smallest details are designed to create a first-class experience from the moment you arrive. Luxury begins before you enter. Smart access systems and automatic features transform a simple doorway into a premium arrival experience. True luxury is not only about beauty, it is about intelligent design that hides everything you need while keeping everything elegant. Behind the elegant exterior of a luxury motorhome are intelligent storage systems designed to carry everything needed for unforgettable journeys without compromising style. The future of luxury travel is not only about comfort, it is about creating independence wherever the journey takes you. Advanced solar technology allows modern luxury motorhomes to generate their own energy, increasing independence and making remote luxury travel possible. The luxury experience does not end when you step outside. The world itself becomes your private 5-star resort. Ultra-luxury motorhomes extend the living experience beyond the interior, creating outdoor spaces where owners can relax, entertain, and enjoy nature in complete comfort. When every destination can become your private retreat, even a simple outdoor moment becomes an extraordinary luxury experience. Luxury motorhomes are designed around a complete lifestyle, offering elegant outdoor spaces where owners can enjoy unforgettable moments anywhere on the planet. Above the luxury living space is a hidden world of technology that allows this mobile residence to travel farther and smarter than ever before. The roof of a luxury motorhome is more than a surface. It is an advanced technology platform designed for energy, communication, and long-distance independence. For the world's most exclusive motorhomes, color is not chosen from a catalog. It is created as a personal signature. Every ultra-luxury motorhome can become a unique masterpiece, with handcrafted finishes and personalized details created to match the owner's individual vision. After thousands of engineering hours and countless design decisions, the final result is a luxury masterpiece that commands attention even in complete darkness. The exterior design of an ultra-luxury motorhome represents the perfect balance between engineering elegance and individuality, creating a vehicle unlike anything else on the road. Before luxury begins above the surface, everything depends on the powerful engineering foundation hidden underneath. Every luxury motorhome begins with a powerful foundation. Heavy-duty chassis engineering provides the strength, stability, and durability needed to carry a complete luxury lifestyle. Some of the world's most luxurious motorhomes begin with the engineering DNA of premium coaches transformed into private mobile residences. Many ultra-luxury motorhomes use advanced coach platforms because they provide exceptional space, durability, and engineering strength for creating a true home on wheels. One of the most respected foundations in luxury travel begins with a proven vehicle platform transformed into a personalized premium sanctuary. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform has become a favorite foundation for luxury conversions, offering reliability, versatility, and the perfect balance between mobility and comfort. When space, durability, and long-distance luxury are the priority, European engineering provides the foundation for extraordinary mobile residences. European coach platforms provide the strength and space required for some of the world's most luxurious motorhomes, where engineering becomes the foundation of extraordinary travel. Behind every luxurious journey is an engineering platform designed to deliver confidence, strength, and comfort across thousands of kilometers. Heavy-duty platforms from leading manufacturers provide the strength and reliability needed to transform a large vehicle into a comfortable and luxurious home capable of global travel. A luxury home on wheels must do something extraordinary: transform rough roads into a smooth, first-class journey. Advanced suspension technology allows massive luxury motorhomes to deliver a remarkably smooth experience, combining stability, comfort, and confidence on every journey. Every journey begins where luxury meets the road, through wheels and tires engineered to carry extraordinary weight with confidence. The wheels and tires of an ultra-luxury motorhome are engineered for strength and reliability, supporting immense weight while delivering a safe and comfortable driving experience. When you are moving a luxury residence weighing several tons, stopping power becomes just as important as driving performance. Advanced braking systems are essential for luxury motorhomes, providing the control and safety required for a vehicle that carries both passengers and a complete premium lifestyle. The most impressive technology is often the technology you never see, hidden beneath the luxury that surrounds you. Beneath the elegant exterior of every luxury motorhome is a complex engineering system designed to deliver reliability, safety, and comfort across thousands of miles. $1 million motorhome is not produced like an ordinary vehicle. It is carefully crafted like a luxury yacht or private aircraft. Creating an ultra-luxury motorhome requires thousands of hours of craftsmanship, where engineering precision and handcrafted luxury come together to build a home without limits. Before the journey begins, the driver enters a command center where commercial power meets first-class luxury technology. The driver cockpit of a luxury motorhome combines advanced vehicle technology with premium comfort, giving every journey a feeling of control and confidence. When journeys last for hours or even days, true luxury begins with a seat designed to make every mile effortless. Luxury motorhomes are designed for long journeys, and the driver's seat provides the perfect combination of ergonomic support, comfort, and advanced personal adjustment. In the world of ultra-luxury travel, information is no longer hidden behind buttons. It comes alive through intelligent digital technology. Digital displays turn the cockpit into an intelligent command center, providing drivers with essential information while enhancing safety, convenience, and control. For a vehicle designed to explore the world, the smartest technology is the ability to know exactly where the journey should go next. Advanced navigation systems help luxury motorhome owners explore confidently, combining intelligent route planning with real-time information for every adventure. When driving a vehicle of this size, seeing everything around you is not a luxury. It is essential intelligence. Advanced 360-degree camera technology gives drivers a complete view around the vehicle, making parking, maneuvering, and traveling safer and more effortless. The steering wheel is more than a control. It is the connection between the driver and a powerful luxury machine. Advanced steering controls combine luxury craftsmanship with modern technology, giving drivers precise command over one of the world's largest premium vehicles. The future of luxury travel is not only about comfort. It is about creating a smarter and safer journey for everyone inside. Modern luxury motorhomes use intelligent assistance systems to support drivers, improving safety, reducing stress, and making every journey more comfortable. When the world goes dark, advanced technology transforms the journey into a calm, controlled, and unforgettable experience. Night travel becomes a remarkable experience inside a luxury motorhome where advanced displays, intelligent systems, and premium comfort create confidence after sunset. The ultimate luxury journey is not about reaching the destination quickly. It is about enjoying every kilometer along the way. From the driver's seat, every journey feels different. Luxury motorhomes transform long-distance travel into a peaceful and premium experience. The future of travel is arriving, where a vehicle this large can feel as intelligent, comfortable, and effortless as a private aircraft. The next generation of luxury motorhomes will become intelligent living spaces, where advanced technology creates safer, smarter, and more effortless journeys. If you enjoyed this cinematic luxury review, please like, subscribe to Ultimate Luxury Cars, and press the bell icon so you never miss our next masterpiece.